Listen, today we have something amazing. Rock bouncer versus Ultra4 rigs, over 10,000 pounds of steel going down the track, straight toward the camera, guys. Watch out. Over 2,000 horsepower combined. On top of that, flying finish. Let's go, boys.
Hi, my name's Devin Villeneuve. You guys might recognize me from Shredded Lettuce and Flyboy when we came down. Always go for it, baby. Good, I was a little nervous through the whoops, but I figured just pin it and hang on, right?
What, when you're like this?
Yes. I put it in high range this time.
Oh, that makes sense.
We brought my buddy Mike this time.
Hey Devin, nice to see you,
man?
buddy.
So what do we got here?
Oh, we have the Cockroach buggy, kind of a rock bouncer chassis that we've modified into a Havoc and unlimited style racing.
So what is Havoc style racing?
Oh, Havoc style racing. Sometimes it's a mixed bag of what we're going to be doing, but it can involve polling, side-by-side drag races, motocross style racing, rock racing, hill climbs. We kind of do it all. It takes a tough rig to hold up to all this.
Awesome. So what do we got for horsepower, motor, cubic inch, all that stuff?
Well, we have a Texas Speed 408 LS engine with a turbo on it. And
nice.
We're making about 1,000 horsepower at the crankshaft. Who knows through the drivetrain, but it's probably about half that.
Yeah, at least 50% most likely in this one, yeah. What size turbo do you got on this one?
76 millimeter.
Nice, so it's pretty big then. Just
Yeah.
single turbo?
Single turbo, yes.
So I see we got some big tires here, so what are these things?
Typically your tractor tires, speed rated probably for 30 miles an hour, so we'll try to stay under that. Just kidding, but
It's a joke, it's a joke.
mostly have to build our own wheels. 24-inch beadlock wheels, not available readily. We have to build a lot of this stuff ourselves to
And then
hold up.
what size tire is this roughly?
These are about 53 inches.
And with a steel wheel, they must weigh quite a bit.
Over 300 pounds a piece, probably 350 a piece.
Awesome, and I also notice here that you have planetary gears.
Yes.
So this is what we got here is a planetary from Axle Tech. You want to kind of explain what a planetary system is?
Well, it has a main drive axle shaft that comes through the center, and then you have your sun gears that rotate around. If we had a typical shaft running these size of tires or bigger, we'd be snapping everything upstream.
Totally.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that's right on. What size are these shocks? These things are absolutely massive.
They're King 3.0s there. We have a unique combination here, 16 and 18-inch travel.
It's probably pretty hard to get all this unsprung weight kind of dialed in, I guess, eh?
Very hard, very hard. That's our biggest struggle, actually.
Yeah. Do you know kind of what this axle and wheel combo would weigh, roughly?
This, about 1,500 pounds,
Awesome.
which gives us our suspension challenges, but
Yep.
also makes us super stable for the type of racing we do. So. I swear it's smaller than a UTV inside, but
It looks like it.
it works for us. Got our Sidewinder shifter, and we love our Holley EFI digital screen there.
I see that you have it all boxed in too. Is that for all the mud and stuff you go
It
to?
sure is, yeah.
Right on.
Definitely required. Even our bag around our methanol injection there.
I noticed that in the back you have a rear steer ram. So whereabouts do you steer the back end of this truck?
Rear steer joystick.
Awesome.
Auto recenter, left, right. We have a manual switch here
Yeah.
that we can lock it out and crab walk or whatever we need to do.
Right on. And then what's this grab handle there? Is that for you or your passenger?
This is for my co-driver.
Nice.
I've I've used it a couple times myself though.
Yeah, I believe it. It's the holy shit handles.
It is, it is.
So what is the name behind the Cockroach?
Originally this chassis was built, or finished out at least, by Kryptonite Customs down south. There was an Australian customer that said, that thing looks like a bloody cockroach. And
It does.
The name kind of stuck, and we told it was bad luck to change the name on a buggy, so we went with that. I don't like cockroaches at all.
Back at our favorite spot, and we got some new competitors lined up. This thing's looking rad. Let's figure out, what's your name? What do you
Tommy
got here?
Dykstra.
Okay.
How
Nice
you
to meet
doing?
Tommy.
Yeah, you too, Darren. This is an Ultra4 TRITON engineering. It's mid-engine, so it competes in the 4400 class of like King of the Hammers and the Ultra4 series.
You say mid-engine, so the engine's actually mounted backwards in this car, right?
Yep, exactly. It's mounted backwards behind our seats, actually.
Holy crap. Dude, this differential here in the front is what? Is it billet?
So the outer skin is plate, and then the ends of it are actually billet.
It is absolutely top-notch quality fabrication, like all TIG welded to a T. What kind of shock package travel numbers are we dealing with in the front of this car?
So we got the ADS coil bypass setup. It's got 28 inches of travel in the front and 30 inches of travel in the back.
Dude, that's insane. All right, I gotta see this engine in this thing. So this thing is tucked in there, holy crap. And I can just smell the race gas. What kind of power, what kind of engine are we dealing with in this car?
It's a Danzio P600, pretty top-notch equipment
No,
from,
yeah,
from him.
that's like Gucci.
960 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque, naturally aspirated.
Is it LS platform or is it a big block?
No, it's true big block.
True big
Yep.
block.
600 cubic inches.
So, dang, that is sick. So obviously with the engine mounted backwards in this car, you got to run the drive lines down the side. And I see this rear housing is absolutely sick as well. It's like one of the most standout items on these cars.
So it's a tube work trophy truck housing. It has their jumbo 36 spline trophy truck axles in it.
Dude, so
They're about the
freaking sick.
diameter of a Coke can or Red Bull can.
Yeah, for sure. So crazy ride height in the front. I can see that it's got some kind of sick spindle going on here. Can you tell us about the spindle, wheel, and tire combo on this?
This is a 74 weld 4-gear portal.
So it's actually a gear reduction.
Yep, 1.63
Wow.
gear reduction. So it gives us an extra 4 inches of clearance in the front.
Okay, and then wheel and tire combo, what are we looking at?
So these are Mickey Thompson, Baja Boss. This is their sticky version.
I mean, just the freaking knuckle on this car is what, like $20,000?
Yeah, so the 4-gear portals, they're about $17,000 a piece.
That's
just for the
crazy.
portal themselves. So.
Wow. Dude, so we got a little surprise guest in here. What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson, what are you doing here? Is this your race car?
It's my dad.
Maybe, 5-6 years from now, maybe he'll be driving this thing.
That's so cool.
String line.
All carbon fiber. You got a Motec display, GPS, all your necessities.
Oh yeah.
Dude, dialed.
Transmission is a Turbo 400.
Okay.
So it's a Life Racing PDU setup with the Motec dashes. And it's actually got paddle shifters on here. It's still a reverse manual valve body transmission, but he's got basically like a big actuator servo that controls the transmission.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it's a rad setup.
All right, well, let's go line it up. Let's see how it does
Let's
out
do
here
it.
on this new course. So I heard one of the cars can only go 52 miles an hour. So I'm going with the other car that can go faster than 52 miles an hour. Going with the Ultra4.
Small buggy versus big buggy. Let's go with the small guy because he's probably gonna get him in the whoops.
I'm going for the purple truck.
Rolling, we're ready?
Predictions. Ooh. I mean, I love me an Ultra4, but that rock hopper's looking like it's gonna be pretty fast. So I'm going bouncer.
I'm going swamp donkey too. They don't give a damn. So
Who the hell's this guy?
I'm going with the bouncer, man. That's my team.
He drove shredded lettuce, right?
Yeah.
Is that guy from Canada?
No, but close.
Nah, I'm not going for him, man.
We're trying.
Yeah.
Flew through this wall.
Oh boy.
I don't know if a four-wheel steer is helping him. He's getting buck wild.
All that clapping in the back.
Clap like that can only come from butt cheeks. That's because I did use my butt cheeks to clap, Dad.
Oh my God!
Sir, what was all that popping and clicking?
Which kind of noise? Oh, yeah, our rev limiter.
Would you be cool if you started in the rocks?
Him? Yeah. I'd be cool with that.
Okay, bet. Boss man, you clearly obliterated him. So what we're thinking is if you start in the rocks and then he'll start in like second or something to make it fair, because obviously you're just, he ain't mathing.
he's gonna start in second, or you want me to start in second?
He's gonna start in second. What the hell, you gonna beat him more?
Yeah, what, you want him to start in second so he has a better advantage?
Bro,
What if there's someone else, someone better?
tell him the deal.
Okay, based on my calculations, this thing is way too fast. So we're trying to back you up a little bit to give him a shot at even keeping up.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're clearing the jumps and you're just matted over the whoops.
Let's make it happen.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dude, the second clearing, he was pissed.
So clearly he won, but what can we do to give him the, because at the
Can we take one of his wheels off or something?
No, we can't do that.
Let's start him back here in the berm, so he's got to do the berm and then enter.
would you be cool with hitting the berm and then trying to chase him down?
Sure, let's do it.
All right, bet.
I got one more in me.
So Mr. Roach, no disrespect.
Yes.
We're gonna let old boy start in the berm, and then he gonna just try to chase you down.
Wow, the rock collar's not a Baja truck.
Yeah, I mean
Ultra4.
obviously not, but it's like through the whoops. I thought you was a Baja truck, but you look like a little kid on a play mat,
Yeah.
jumping around.
I felt like a toy.
Pretty much, he'll start at pretty much behind here.
Yeah.
And then just take it from there.
Okay,
Is that cool with you?
that's cool with me.
God, I love my job.
Hey, that was some good business right there. 2 W's right there.
I don't know who won, but you won in our hearts.
Oh, thank you.
Like-
That's why we came.
We always bring the show, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you're Canadian too?
No, he's not Canadian.
Close.
He's my brother from the other side of the border.
Second jump, am I right?
Dude,
this
big.
is huge.
That boy was high up there.
The berm.
Our experiment has worked. You've proven that it can be done.
Heck yeah, that was fun.
Was it? What did it feel like?
Had a little bit, more excitement, more challenge to, coming that jump straight,
So you got the win, dude. Congrats.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Enjoy your complimentary Hoonigan buffet, which includes all you can drink LaCroix and Quest chips.
Awesome.
For protein, you're gonna need it.
Yeah, definitely.
Because next you're battling Gravedigger.
Heavy metal looks good going down the track.
It really does.
You need to stay in your